Some politicians are allegedly using the West Philippine Sea issue to gain publicity ahead of the upcoming elections. This was a statement of former Department of National Defense Chief Norberto Gonzales, who added that the matter would be better left out of the public spotlight. This report. Tensions flare in the Philippine Senate between Senators Alan Peter Cayetano and Kiko Pangilinan over a resolution condemning the Chinese embassy for statements made against Philippine government officials. Cayetano pointed out that it was inappropriate for a Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson to use a caricature or satirical representation linked to China's leader.
So the authors of this resolution is saying, pwede. So kung ang official ng presidente is to have certain decorum sa presidente ng China, pwede yung isang general hindi sumunod. Ang sa kanya, bastusin natin yung Pangulo ng isang bansa.
However, according to former DND Secretary Norberto Gonzales, the ongoing public discourse does not project a good image for the Philippines.
Mukhang hindi na tayo kailangan girahin ng China tungkol sa West Philippine Sea kasi tayo na yung nag-aaway-aaway dito eh. No, hindi magandang image yun.
In an exclusive interview with SMNA News, Gonzales emphasized that discussions on the West Philippine Sea would be better handled in closed-door meetings among experts and responsible groups. He noted that publicly disclosing sensitive details could create misimpressions and heighten tensions.
Mukhang yung mga responsible groupings, no, mga association at saka mga experts, mukhang sinasabi na nila na hindi maganda na open at public at discussions ng mga nakakaintindi sa issue ng West Philippine Sea. Dapat yun, i-close door nila yun eh. Mahirap talaga na yung sensitive na issue na involving our interest versus another country, dapat yun hindi masyadong pinupubliko yan. No? Nagmumukhang tayo mismo ang nag-aaway-aaway. Nagkakaroon tuloy tayo ng labeling pa na may pro-Chinese, may anti-Chinese. Hindi maganda yan.
The former DND chief also expressed disappointment towards some politicians who, he said, seem to be using the issue merely for publicity.
Disappointment natin, yung mga dating gawin na kunyari matapang, naghahanap lang ng atensyon para maging popular para sa susunod na eleksyon. May mga nakikita ako ngayon ng mga politiko no, suddenly, nung makita siguro yung survey na marami sa kababayan natin galit sa China, ay nagkagalit-galitan din sila sa China ngayon. Eh, ang payo ko sana, huwag natin gamitin ang issue ng relasyon natin sa China sa pamumulitika. Dangerous yan. Buhay ng buong Pilipinas ang nakataya dyan.
In the end, Gonzales had this message for politicians riding on the issue.
Kaya yung mga politiko na nakikita natin, na akala nila ordinaryong issue itong hinaharap natin at ginagamit pa yung sinasakyan yung galit ng kababayan natin para lang sumikat. Sana masasabihin natin kung pwede tumigil na lang ng ganyang trabaho muna. Hindi maganda sa bayan yan at hindi magiging maganda para sa kanila yan pagdating ng araw.